It's Aneck and DragonHeart. Hi, I'm making this video is a tutorial how to make a male rebel anime. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, how I do it, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the button, the bell button, so you can see a lot more videos that new videos, so you won't miss it. So here we go. I already did the eyes, so I'm just gonna darken it. I always make mistakes when I do a drawing, so don't forget that drawing is not easy, but it's a little bit complicated. So let's kind of draw his lips. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. Oh dear, survive. Don't forget, everybody can make mistakes. Even you can see me, I'm making a lot of mistakes. So let's make this wicked, dark, creepy dude. So the neck, just not that much. Don't overdo it with the neck. You don't want the anime to be like a giraffe. And so shoulders. Don't overdo it either. I'm just gonna do this one What I'm doing here is kind of like not that much. I'm trying to make him like a rocker type of jacket, but my former rocker type of jacket. Rocker type of jacket. I used for anime. I used to do something like that or down. I just wanted him to be more wicked looking. So don't forget about the hair. That's also a crucial point. So let's decide to do a different type of hair for the dude. So kinda easy doing the same part of hair, or was I what to do with the hair? When I do that, I decide to and then I add some extra stuff to make it a little more different. Like I did with the other, since I want the video from yesterday, that I messed up the hair. And it's gonna mess up the hair in this one as well. Except he's like, this part is like that, but I'm gonna have him have a little hair, a little. Or see something extra. Here, because you could actually draw character and make it your own version of the character. I like making my own version of the character. This spunky version, dark version. Dude, it doesn't matter. I like darken the hair. Because when I color it, when I darken the hair, when I color it, I wanted to add kind of like highlights to the character. For this character, I'm gonna the other video is gonna be about coloring him, but then another video will be about coloring him. I wanted to highlight his character. Something extra to the character, like pointy ears. That's a superhero out there. Well, not superhero. I mean, an anime character that I definitely would like, because I want to do a comic book, and I can't use the word superhero because those words belong to Marvel and DC. I think they're not gonna like if somebody else uses the word super, because they think they people say they own the word superhero, and I think that's kind of dumb. Superhero is for everybody. Also, don't forget to put lines in the hair, like this kind of line, so people know it's part of the hair. I also like to do this for the ears. If you want, you could also add something like a badass earring for the character, like I'm doing right now. And also darken this part right here, so it may look like eyelashes, but for female you could overdo it with eyelashes, but for men, don't overdo it. And also make the eyebrows for the men heavy and darker, heavy, you know, big. And for the female, try to make it thin. It's really small, because in anime, if you see, there's a lot of girls have thin eyebrows, and the men supposed to be having a little bit more big. Okay. That's good. I love drawing, especially messing up the drawing and adding my own flavor of drawing. Then target here is right here. I shadow my characters by taking like a piece of paper and do this, and use your finger, and just darken what you want it to be dark. And then you see what I'm doing? And you have to leave some parts. Now that definitely look like an awesome drawing. There you go, guys. So before we do that, I need to just write my name. That is the more important part of an artist. Is always write your name on your drawings, so nobody can take credit on your drawing, even though you did the hard work. So there you go, guys. So my villain, well, my rebel. So there you go, guys. So thank you all so much for watching the video. If you guys like it, hit like. Take care, have fun, stay awesome as always, and I'll see you guys in that video.